TPNIES. Can you explain to me what that is a little bit?
Sure. So that stands for Transitional Add-on Payment for New and Innovative Equipment and Supplies. And so it's one of the methods that the government has set up to allow innovation into the dialysis space. And what you do is you have a product which has to meet certain criteria. It has to be innovative. It has to be FDA approved. It has to recently be entering the market. So it has to be something new. And you compete. You submit an application to the government. They determine whether it qualifies to receive this award. If they grant you the award, then in the following year and for 2 years, they will reimburse the dialysis center for the use of that device or equipment at 65% of the cost. And the cost, there's a process for determining the cost, but essentially it will be reimbursing the dialysis center for the cost of that device for 2 years. And that allows you to get the product used, adopted a little bit wider in the dialysis space in the dialysis centers to start gathering data. And that data will then be presented to the government after that 2-year period to try to determine whether it actually does reduce the cost or improve the patient's life. And the government will make a determination of whether they will continue to reimburse that going forward. And that could be within the bundle by increasing the actual dollar value of the bundle, which is currently around $270. So maybe they increase it to $275. Or it could be outside the bundles. Some devices may be paid for outside the bundle under a specific grant. And so actually that's the way we probably will be trying to get into the dialysis space reimbursement, is to compete for that TPNIES award and then getting a wider adoption and using that information to try to eventually get a reimbursable code so that when the dialysis center is using our software to help the patient reduce outcomes or reduce negative outcomes, they will get reimbursed for that use. It's something that will be billable to the government.
And is that a single award recipient per year?
No.
Okay.
No, it's not. There's not a set budget for it, but it is a competition to get the grant, but you're not competing. It's not a zero-sum game. Multiple companies can win that.